What's up, it's your girl Chanel. I'm back again with another video, and in this video I'm gonna be going over the difference between free and paid traffic. Now if you want to ask me what I believe is the biggest difference between free and paid traffic, I would say this right here: money. So with free traffic, out of this $3,000 right here, you'll probably make up to $300 a day. Now this $400, that's too much. If you make more than that with free traffic, comment down below in the comments. I never heard of nobody making $1,000 a day all off like free traffic, unless they have like automation systems set up and all this extra technical stuff that the average person can't even figure out on their own. Free traffic to me is too slow. Like, I like fast clicks. I like getting thousands of clicks every single day to my CPA offers. So if I'm not getting thousands of clicks a day, I'm not feeling right. So that's why I don't like free traffic, because it's hard to send thousands of clicks. You posting on stuff and posting in classified sites and all this other stuff. Technically, like, that's black hat marketing, because most of these offers that you see on these networks, they say no Craigslist traffic. They say no classified sites. You know, your traffic can't come from classified sites. So I see a lot of people posting in classified sites and just doing like black hat tactics just to get started. But I just really wanted to touch on what I believe the biggest differences is, because when you look at this money right here, this 3K is what I make in a single day. But the reason I'm only able to make this in a day is because I'm able to scale to 3K a day with paid traffic. With free traffic, it's really hard to scale. It's really hard to get a lot of traffic using free traffic. I don't like to do that type of stuff. And also, it's just a really slow way to make money. You're sitting there waiting all day for your clicks, when you can just send that same amount of clicks from Facebook or from Bing or whatever traffic source that you think is best for your actual offer. Now, $300 a day, you might be thinking, okay, like, I'm good with that. Like, if I can make upwards of $300 a day, that's cool. But it's like, that's like pushing it. I don't know. Like, if you make more than $300 a day with free traffic, comment below in the comments, because I want to basically just see how many people out there are able to make thousands of dollars a day. I haven't met nobody personally. I don't know any affiliates that make that type of money with free traffic. And I think the reason why I don't really see it is because it's difficult to scale. It's difficult to get those systems set up. I used to see like this Instagram automation type technique, and people had like all these bots set up and everything like that to get their offers out. But I think Instagram kind of cracked down on that stuff, so I don't even know if that stuff is working anymore. But the reason I use paid traffic is it's simple. It's stuff like Facebook ads and things like that. It's easier to scale. It's actually white hat. The affiliate networks love that type of traffic. They be begging you to send more of that type of traffic, so you don't have anything to worry about when you're talking to your affiliate manager and they're asking you where you're driving your visitors from and things like that, because you're actually doing it the right way. And it's just, you can scale it to the moon. You're not capping yourself out. Basically, all I wanted to say in this video was that you guys should really focus on things that you can actually scale and control. The biggest thing that I love about paid traffic, that once it's actually optimized, it's like autopilot money. Like right now, I'm just making money, and like I'm out, I'm driving, I'm like actually living my life. I don't have to sit there and like make sure everything is working correctly and all that stuff. Like, Facebook is sending the traffic. Wherever I get my traffic from, if I'm spending money, it's gonna send the traffic, long as I have my campaign funded. So if you're trying to really make this like a full-time thing, you want to use CPA marketing to fund your lifestyle, like you see it funds mine. I bought my dream home, my dream car, everything like that. If you really want to take it to the next level, like, I'm gonna give you the real. I'm gonna tell you, focus on paid traffic, focus on the techniques that not only I outline on my free channel, but if you're inside the Mogul Academy, make sure you're following those techniques, and don't give in to just, oh, I'm just gonna post on here, I'm just gonna be doing this. If you do make $200 from posting on free sites and all this other stuff, use that money and fund your campaigns. Don't use that money and think, okay, like, it's gonna last, because it's not gonna last. You need consistency with this business. The only way to be consistent is to send consistent traffic. That's the way you get offer bumps, equal more payout for your offers, or you can actually get advanced payouts, so you don't have to be waiting every 30 days or every 2 weeks or something like that. You could be getting daily payment, every net 3 and stuff like that. Once you start sending consistent traffic and showing the advertiser that you know what you're doing with these particular offers, because that's what they want to see, that's what they actually like. And most offers that most affiliates run, I actually get bumps on. I actually get more money for the offer when it converts because of that right there. So I just wanted to break down like the key differences, free traffic versus paid. You know where I stand. I'm never going to tell you, oh, go out there, post on free sites, post in groups, spam comment sections. I'm never going to tell you that. I'm going to say set some ads up, run ads, do whatever you got to do to get money for ads. That's okay, but make sure you're reinvesting into what's going to give you that longevity with this business. All right, guys, so I'm about to go spend some of this money.
TJ
Of course, I love the llamas.
Nice and silky smooth.